You are going to learn how to lucid dream tonight using the easy and quick lucid dreaming techniques. If you're a beginner, you can use these techniques and have a pretty good chance at lucid dreaming the first time. If your busy life makes you stop in the middle, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and Lucidity for All newsletter. We will remind you of the importance of dreaming in your life. Now, let's get the job done. 1. Work on the intent. As strange as it sounds, you can have a lucid dream just by reading or watching videos about lucid dreaming. The possibility of lucid dreaming is now in your mind because you have focused on it. We are going to plant the seed of lucidity in you. It is probably the easiest of the quick lucid dreaming techniques on the planet. Let us know if you know better. There is a similar effect with somebody who practices lucid dreaming with poor techniques and still gets results. Some teachers of lucid dreaming know about it and take advantage of it. Read this article and watch the corresponding video once again right before you go to bed. It is essential to do this right before sleep. We want your intent to permeate the dream state as closely as possible. Expect to have a spontaneous recognition of the dream state and the occurrence of the false awakenings. 2. Easy lucid dreaming with reality checks. This is an easy lucid dreaming technique to implement. But often, it does not yield regular or quick results because the practitioner trains in an incorrect state of mind. The correct state of mind. Your state of mind should mimic you being in the dream state. The reality checks performed in the waking time should mimic the dream state. It would be best if you did not start with the idea that you are not in a dream and then perform a reality check. Otherwise, you will perform reality checks in your dreams and still conclude to be awakened because you have trained that way. So imagine being in a dream, perform the reality check, about the environment you are in, imagine what you will do when the reality check is positive. Striving to achieve 2 to 3 exciting feats should compose your plan of action for each upcoming lucid dream or astral projection. Plan of action. It would be best if you always had a plan of action for your next adventure in a lucid dream. Did you know that having a plan of action prevents you from waking up too fast? While you execute your plan of action, you will be actively moving around within the dreamscape. Consequently, you anchor yourself within the dream. Inactivity often rhymes with you withdrawing your senses from the dream, and it provokes a dream change or a premature awakening. 3. Learn an induction technique. There are thousands of easy lucid dreaming induction techniques. I like the simple techniques that access one sensory input at a time. A technique in its essence is a detector of the state you are in. Beginners think techniques are magical and bring them to the right state. It is only partially correct. It is true that when you focus well on one technique, it has a meditative and hypnotic effect on you. Hence, that technique has the potential to bring you to the liminal state, where a smooth transition from waking to sleeping state is possible. But in most cases, you will awaken into the dream state, also known as a false awakening. And in this case, the technique will perform positively. Let's say you tried to move your hand without moving a muscle, and now you feel your dream hand lifting. Or you could focus on sounds, and now you hear a voice next to your bed, talking to you about your lucid dreaming experiences. Or you could focus on the visual sensory input with your eyes closed, and suddenly you see something with your eyes closed. All I have mentioned are signs of you being in a dream, and you should immediately stand up from the bed and perform a reality check. If the reality check is positive, do not remain next to the bed for too long, as it may wake you up. Instead, venture further into the dream realm and explore your plan of action. 4. Learn different approaches to avoid misunderstandings. We can approach the sleeping state only in 3 different ways. 1. Transition from waking state into the sleeping state, also known as wild. 2. Spontaneous realization of the dream state from within the dream state itself. 3. Re-enter the dream state upon awakening. You must know these 3 approaches. When you use a technique, you must know which method you use. Wild is not a quick lucid dreaming technique. The approach that consists of shifting from waking to sleeping state is the most challenging. Not all sleeping cycles begin with a REM period. So you could spend your efforts at the wrong period of the day or night, while your body wants to send you into a deep, dreamless state for a rejuvenating sleep. Even with good timing, the direct approach, or wild, presents many other difficulties and is not advisable for beginners. UA, upon awakening, is a quick lucid dreaming technique. It is much simpler to use the moment of awakening. At this time, your body and your mental state are suitable for the practice of lucid dreaming or astral projection. Rather than trying to achieve these suitable states, why not just take advantage of their presence upon awakening? Spontaneous lucid dreams. The approach from within the dream state represents 50% of the practice. If you practice other approaches, you will count 50% of your success with the spontaneous realizations of the dream state. The question arises, can we base our practice solely on spontaneous lucidity? The answer is a no. We know now that spontaneous lucidity is proportionate to other methods of a lucid dreamer. Hence, it would help if you kept practicing all different approaches. Many dreamers report even a direct link between the number of meditations they do and the number of lucid dreams they have. 5. Conclusion. We can conclude that working on your intent is your first choice from the quick lucid dreaming techniques. But it is essential to work on all the methods on your way to your mastery in lucid dreaming and astral projection. Yuri Zaritsky is a longtime practitioner and independent researcher. He has compiled an online course that has absolutely everything in it. It is often on sale and costs only $15. The links are in the description of this video. Guys, let us know in the comments below if you liked, or even did not like this presentation. Leaving a small thanks means a lot to us and encourages us to do better for you. You can also share in the comments below your progress with Lucidity for All courses and how it works for you. Consider subscribing to Lucidity for All channel. Activate the notifications. And do not miss our next generation learning materials. See you soon in one of our workshops. Dream well and have a safe journey.